Hello and welcome back to my channel in a very special episode. Today we will be paying tribute to the beautiful, talented Nichelle Nichols, who we recently lost. If you don't know who she is best known for playing Lieutenant Uhura on the original Star Trek series and the original movies, the original crew movies. She is part of the original Enterprise crew, at least from the shows. The Enterprise, there's a lot of backstory on Star Trek, right? So if you're not a Trekkie, you would probably not know all of her backstory. But of course, she didn't start on the Enterprise. She came to the Enterprise, as everyone does, because the Enterprise is the flagship of the Federation. I decided today to do a set honoring her, and I chose the red uniform that she wears in the original series. They do end up giving her a different, I think a gold one later on, but red really is the one that I think looks the best on her. When you look her up for Star Trek, that's the one you generally see. And of course, she was a lieutenant in Star Trek, the series, but as the movies and whatnot go on, she ends up being a captain of her own ship. I'm sorry, I could not find what the name of her ship was, but you can bet that I will be watching some of the older movies and stuff, just for nostalgia's sake, very soon. So the reason for the red, like I said, is that that's the color she wore in the original series, or at least the start of it. The collar of her uniform was black, and then she also has gold at the end of her sleeves. So we are sticking with the gold, the black, and the red. When I heard the news yesterday as I'm recording this, honestly, my first words were just no, 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 no. I burst out crying, and I laid in my bed for probably a half an hour just sobbing uncontrollably. I'm having a hard time even today thinking about it. Doing this set was really difficult. Now I'm in gold to match everything else. I'm making the Star Trek. It's actually the Starfleet symbol. The Starfleet is the agency that the Enterprise is part of. It's Starfleet and Starfleet Academy, and this is the symbol for Starfleet. And mine's a little bit fatter, I think, than the real one, but I just did what my heart was telling me to do. And later on in the series, their communicators became their badges, because these are like, I guess, a badge of some sort. But then they became the communicators in Star Trek The Next Generation. If you're not a Trekkie, this is probably just all gibberish talk to you, but if you are a Trekkie, let me know in the comment section. And if you are a Trekkie, who's your favorite character? What is your favorite of the series? If you have a favorite. I'm a fan of all of it, mostly. I don't really watch the shows that don't involve the Enterprise. I did watch a little bit of Voyager, but I didn't stick with it. I did watch a little bit of DS9, but I stopped watching after Jadzia Dax got murdered. Because I just couldn't anymore. And now I really enjoy the new movies that they've been making since 2009. So I've been a Star Trek fan since the very first time I ever saw Star Trek. Here we are on Top Coat, guys. I'm sorry I didn't go over every single step here, but you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just very caught up in losing Nichelle, even though it wasn't a surprise. It was her time, and I'm sad, but I'm sad. This is my finished set. I hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you Thursday. Bye-bye.